Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to another video. We're going to be talking about some interesting dividend stocks that I have been giving a look over the past couple of days. Give you guys some of the details on those and more specifically what I'm thinking about as far as investing in them goes. First things first, I wanted to start off with, if you haven't already, really recommend you join our free Discord with the first link down in the description below. This is how you get access to our daily buy and sell alerts. We also post a variety of different educational and valuable information in there for you guys to check out and obviously digest as well. It's all linked down with the first link down in the description below. Amazing community. Really recommend joining up if you guys haven't already. But let's get into some of the information, right? What is the overall stock market doing today? I really need to buy the pro version of TradingView. As you can see, here is what we've been doing today. Not much as far as overall events really happening in the overall stock market today. As you can see, most of the price action has been kind of choppy, right? We saw a little bit of a push towards the upside here in the early parts of the day. Ever since then, though, since that kind of top right there, we've seen a significant push towards the downside here, down to 404. And now we're currently doing that as we go into power hour here, just around 12 o'clock. We'll see what that has in store for the rest of the day. But of course, just a quick update on the overall stock market. As you can see, S&P 500 gains to start the week as Apple and other tech shares are rallying, but we also know obviously that since that article has come out, things have obviously significantly changed. Wouldn't be surprised if we ended off the day pretty much flat, if not mostly red, but we'll have to see where that goes as well. Let's talk about two 9% dividend yield stocks. These are stocks that huge investors, people like George Soros, for instance, are potentially investing in. And as you can see here, we're going to read a little bit more about what those are. So the first one we're going to be talking about is One Main Holdings, or OMF. So this is interesting. This is Soros's kind of personal portfolio. This is one of the companies that he currently owns. When we look at its overall financial releases, the company beat earning expectations at 2022, and it came in close. And in Q4 of 2022, the report in the company showed pre-tax quarterly income about just $238 million, with a net income totaling a little over $180 million. And even though we're down year over year, these results are supported really in an adjustment diluted EPS of about 156. So just in general, this company does have a pretty healthy overall financial kind of performance, if you will, right? Their overall balance sheets look very good. In general, it seems that this company is very healthy as far as the overall infrastructure is concerned. Let's dive a little bit more, though, into that dividend yield and talk about why they pay such a large dividend in the first place. So while the financial results were gratifying, the company also raised its dividend payment significantly. In the last declaration, the common share payment was bumped from a mere 5.3% to even $1 per share. The annualized rate of $4 gives the dividend yield of about 9.2%. So that's 4.5 times higher than the average dividend yield among most S&P 500 listed companies, and that's a full 2.4 points higher than just the last inflation data. So again, very, very good for fighting inflation as far as the overall return on investment you get just from the dividends alone. Again, this company has some pretty good price targets too. We're looking at a high of about $60 with a medium upside of about $50, which is about a 16% upside from its current price as of dating this with, which basically it's March of 2023, sitting around kind of, $38 to $42, $43 a share. Very, very impressive there, none the least. Next stock. This is actually a stock that I personally own. This is Energy Transfer. This is another really popular dividend stock, and that one that people continue to talk about more and more. We're seeing lots of good gains in their overall financials. $20.5 billion in revenue came in for a 10% year-over-year gain. That's very impressive. And when we look just in general, their EPS obviously is going up as well, and a host of other factors that are, in my opinion, contributing to the overall success of this specific stock. Now, keeping all of this in mind, they pay a 9.3% dividend yield and are effectively a very effective dividend yield performance stock, right? This is a stock that not only price-wise seems to continue to be going up, but also as far as its dividend yield is considered, they're also significantly keeping it either the same or looking at potentially raising it in the future as well. Energy Transfer is now operating within its leverage target of 4 to 4.5x, and we estimate distribution coverage of about 2x, which is actually pretty substantial room for growth spending, and above about 1.8 billion. About that margin is typically what we like to see there. Overall, guys, these are two really, really solid dividend stocks, and ones that I would definitely personally be putting in my own dividend portfolio in order to earn consistent quarterly income on these specific stocks just for holding their shares and holding that stock. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure to join our free Discord with the first link down in the description below. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.